Yo, guys. Today, we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna do something different today, and I figured something out. Like, we go to skins, right? Skins. I only have the red skin, right? Yeah. But look at all these different colors. Like, how do you unlock them? Yeah, there's like you can test them. Wait, what is it? Rainbow. That's insane. A gal. Imagine just seeing this. But how do you see there's a view crate right here. I'm gonna view them, and look, I can buy a crate for $35. Like, oh, I mean 305. So sorry. I have grinded a lot of money for this video. So let's go. So the rarest one is the Galaxy. It's 1 in 5% chance. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. I think you get them in your inventory. Okay, we bought a lot of crates. How do we open the crates? I think they're in the inventory. Let's exit out. Huh. Hold on, I have to go to the prison. Alright, so we're back at prison. Car skin, view crate. Oh, okay, it says open crate. Okay. Alright, first one.
Let's go gambling!
I'm fine with anything. Alright. Oh, we're going gambling. Green, alright. Let's go again. Okay, green again. Do you mind? Thank you. Yellow, okay, that's new. Let's go again. Okay, green. Yellow, okay. Green. Okay, we're not getting that's all the crates we have. So I'm pretty sure we get those car skins. But these little these guys right here, they're just being abused right now. They're, like, let's escape, guys. Like, watch this. See, you see what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, you don't even get a chance to open the door. What am I hearing right now? I don't know. Sure, it's nothing. So can I test the car skins, please? That's all I want to do. I don't want to escape. Well, I need to escape, but don't. Okay, you're so funny. You're funny. You're actually funny. It's like impossible to escape, so let's go to a different server. Let's go. Oh, this is not the same server. Yes, as you can see, I have a different, you're fine. Okay, this will be easy. It's not me. Okay, this one. Hey, who's guarding? Oh, camper. We have camper, right? Okay. AFK is actually insane, dude. So I figured out when the helicopter thing, like, you actually don't get it. Like, you can't do it actually. So like, that's not even a thing. So like, it's just like you can equip it with the skin. 2 skins. Ooh, let's go test this out. Ooh, that looking nice. Hey. Let me do my thing, okay? All I want to do is do my thing. I mean, green's not the best color, but something. We got yellow. That's the first one we got. So, yeah. We have to grind. We have to grind more, dude. We have to grind more. So, we'll be back until we have enough money. Wait, the gas station just opened? Oh, wait. He's at Grandma's house. He has 400 in bounty right now. That would give me, like, enough money, like, to buy one, but we need more. He's in a helicopter, dude. Because it says unknown. Because, let's just watch where he goes, yeah. Yeah, let's watch where he goes. Gas station, of course. Let's go, we got him. Where am I going, dude? I don't know. If he leaves the game, I'm gonna be so mad. Because I'm not gonna get $500. He has a lot of money, dude. He left the game. Boom. Oh, no money. Nice. Alright, another one. Oh my gosh, that's so much money. Okay. Let's buy 2 more crates. Come on, buy one. I mean, that's fine.
Let's go gambling!
Let's open it. Come on. It's gonna give me 7 chests. Yeah. Okay. Won't waste my money. I'm switching to cats, dude, because the cats are just too OP. They're too OP. I mean, put my skin in, because why not? Oh yeah, we're about to be rich. Take all of it. I don't know if we could take all of it, but who cares? I think the limit is 100. Yeah, it's 100, I believe. So I don't think we could take all of it. I mean, it's better than $25. Yeah, I knew it. Now let's get out of here now. Yeah, I learned some tips about this game. Oh, there's definitely police officers here. They knew. I'm definitely gonna be wanted on the wanting board. And I have the key card too. So I can steal a helicopter. But first you gotta return to Grandma. I mean, that was kind of easy. I mean, yeah, I took a little bit damage, but I mean, who cares? Alright, we're about to get a bunch of monies. Oh yeah. Let's see if we could try to steal a helicopter. And helicopters? Yep. Helicopters. Let's go, we got it. They have no idea what's happening. Gas station open for business. About to get robbed. By who though? Who's gonna rob it? I don't know. I don't know who will rob it. His name is Mr. Cat. Yeah, Mr. Cat. Wait, how do I get back in my helicopter? Wait. No. Maybe I can like drive it. Sorry, helicopter. I have to get a new one. I know that was a really dumb idea, but Dude. It's gonna fall. Alright. Tell you when I have enough money. Oh, is that necessary? Yes. Okay, so I did a little bit of grinding. And I got 4 crates. Let's see what we get.
Let's go gambling!
Come on, come on, come on. Okay. 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 I already have that, but. Oh! New color. Okay, that's what it does now. Okay. More grinding, I guess. Alright, guys. So we got 7 crates. Yeah. This is the last crate I'm opening, then done. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh my gosh! Yo!
Oh my god, I won! I actually won!
Yo, okay, that's the craziest find ever, dude. We have to go test it. We have to go test it now. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was double. Okay, I don't know why I didn't talk there. Sorry. Dude, that is so rare. Oh. This is white. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Well, that's it for today's video.